Mine. You are mine. You are so beautiful. You are so beautiful, man. You are very pretty. Huh? You're a boy. You're a boy. Huh? A boy. You are a boy. What should we call him now? He's yours. What should we call him?
Stixie.
Huh?
Stixie.
Stickler.
Stixie.
Stixie. Why Stixie? What is that name?
It's like a stick.
It's like a stick. Hello. Hello. Oh, like a color of a stick. Hello, baby. Come here. Come, let me touch you, man. Let me touch you. Come on. Come, baby. Come here. Come here, man. Come here. He's shy. Huh? Come here. Come to mama. Huh? He's saying no, no way, no way, no way.